I have a beautiful approaching to runway 6 at Katama for you guys coming up. In the meantime, enjoy some highlights from our trip along the way, from the Rhode Island shoreline all the way up to Martha's Vineyard. You can't miss New England's longest suspension bridge from the air. It's an iconic landmark for pilots. We can see this bridge 25 nautical miles away. Check out the Newport State Bridge below, opened in June 28, 1969. Rhode Island residents pay 83 cents to travel over this bridge, while everybody else gets to dish out $4 to $6 for your taste of the Rhode Island Golden Coastline. Hello, Triple Uniform. In the upper left-hand corner of the screen is Newport State, one of the airports I flew to on my solo cross country when I was a student pilot. I remember it well, and I loved flying here 15 years ago. I think it's time for me to go back and visit this airport as Alpha Kilo Warrior. We are now flying over Massachusetts' smallest and least populated towns, Gosnold. It encompasses all of the Elizabeth Islands, with just 70 year-round residents as of the 2020 census, most living on Cuttyhunk below. There is Martha's Vineyard Airport below. We are cleared to transition to Class Delta airspace on our way to Katama. As Mark is entering the left downwind for runway 6, I'm going to crank up the audio for you guys and just enjoy this approach into Katama. Welcome to Katama. We're in Martha's Vineyard on this overcast and rainy June morning. Mark Kelly is pilot in command. His lovely wife Kim and myself are judging his soft field landing techniques.
So, Mark, where are we?
We're at the beautiful Katama Airpark, Martha's Vineyard, home of the rich and famous. And it's a beautiful grass field here, 100% grass, 3 runways. We landed on 06. It's a nice stable approach until the last minute there. Landed a little bit hard on the grass, trying to get smooth, but couldn't quite get that done. But safely on the ground, and restaurant right here in walking distance. Gonna grab a bite to eat.
Well, I want you guys to vote on Mark's landing. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. We'll let your peers judge. He did a really good job.
Well, and then not layer action. You can see here, wearing this can be so It's actually a really good job. But I'd rather find my deli. Absolutely. I know.
Job in law enforcement is a ticket for a front row seat to the greatest show on earth. My two books, Front Row Seat and Froggers, punches that ticket to be the best seat in the house. Based on true events of my 21 years as a cop, these stories will have you riding along with officers and detectives as they deal with the public and each other. Go to acopstory.com to order your copies today.